Agents. C. The air, the type of bacteria. D. Substances produced by pathogens. Correct answer. Antigens are A. Substances that destroy. Correct answer. The immune system protects the body from possibly harmful substances by recognizing and responding to antigens. Antigens are substances, usually proteins, on the surface of cells, viruses, fungi, or bacteria. Non-living substances such as toxins, chemicals, drugs, and foreign particles such as a splinter can also be antigens. The immune system recognizes and destroys, or tries to destroy, substances that contain antigens. Phagocytosis is mainly done by A. RBC. B. WBC. C. Correct answer. Cell mainly involved in immunity are A. RBCs. B. Renal cells. Correct answer. Lymphocytes are a type of white blood cell that are responsible for the body's immune response. They are produced in the bone marrow and then mature in the thymus gland or the spleen. Once they are mature, lymphocytes circulate in the blood and lymph nodes. When lymphocytes encounter a foreign invader, such as a virus or bacteria, they become activated and release a variety of chemicals that help to destroy the invader. Cell-mediated immunity is provided by A. Both T and AMP, B. Lymphocytes. B. Correct answer. Cell-mediated immunity is an immune response that involves the activation of T cells rather than antibodies. These helper T cells activate a chemical messenger called cytokines, which produce cytokines T cells that bind and kill the infected cells. Antibody-mediated immunity is provided by A. T lymphocytes. B. Lymphocytes. C. Both T and AMP. Correct answer. Antibody-mediated immunity involves the activation of B cells and secretion of antibodies when in contact with a pathogen. The pH of saliva is A. An LT, 7. B. Correct answer. Saliva has a pH normal range of 6.2–7.6 with 6.7 being the average pH. Resting pH of mouth does not fall below 6.3. In the oral cavity, the pH is maintained near neutrality, 6.7–7.3 by saliva. The saliva contributes to maintenance of the pH by two mechanisms. Thymus gland lies in A. Abdominal cavity. B. Pelvic cavity. C. In the upper parts of mediastinum. Correct answer. The location of your thymus gland is in your upper chest behind your breastbone sternum. It sits between your lungs in a part of your chest called the mediastinum. Your thymus is just in front of and above your heart. Pear, S patch are found in A. Stomach. B. Kidney. C. Liver. D. Small intestine. Correct answer. Peyer's patches are groupings of lymphoid follicles in the mucous membrane that lines your small intestine. Lymphoid follicles are small organs in your lymphatic system that are similar to lymph nodes. Peyer's patches are located in your small intestine, usually in the ileum area. The ileum is the last portion of your small intestine. In addition to further digesting the food you eat, the ileum also absorbs water and nutrients from food. Hemoglobin contains A. Only proteins. B. Only iron. C. Protein and calcium. D. Both proteins and AMP. Correct answer. Place where RBCs are produced is A. Liver. B. Red bone marrow. Correct answer. Red blood cells RBCs are produced in the red bone marrow, which is found in the flat bones of the body, such as the hips, breastbone, and skull. The red bone marrow is made up of stem cells, which are cells that can turn into any type of cell in the body. When the body needs more RBCs, the stem cells in the red bone marrow turn into RBCs. Lifespan of RBC is about A. 10 days. Correct answer. The normal time of RBC senescent age-related death in adults is approximately 110 to 120 days. Hemolysis can therefore be arbitrarily defined as a shortening in the survival of circulating RBCs to a value of less than 100 days. Total amount of blood in human body is A. 7 to 8% of body weight. B. 4 to 5% of body weight. Correct answer. The blood vessels which connect the artery and veins. A. Sinus. B. Arterioles. C. Venules. D. Capillary. Correct answer. The only artery which supplies deoxygenated blood. A. Pulmonary artery. B. Correct answer. In following which is both exocrine and endocrine gland? A. Pituitary gland. Correct answer. In following which structure is also known as pacemaker of heart? A. Saw node. B. AV node. C. Bundle. Correct answer. The function of fallopian tube is A. Secretion of estrogen and progesterone. B. Passageway for fetus. C. Correct answer. Ovulation is defined as A. Reputter of Graafian follicles. B. Maturation of. Correct answer. The smallest form of vein is known as A. Correct answer. The smallest vein is known as the venules. The smallest cardiac vein is called the Thunbesian veins, which is present in the wall of the heart and drains the myocardium.